What's up, everybody? All right, you guys look very excited. You're wearing some pretty cool gear. What are we doing here?
Skydiving.
I love it.
Yeah.
Whose crazy idea was this? Well, it's a great idea. On a beautiful day, too. We're going to go all the way up, 13,500 feet, look at some beautiful views, and jump out of a plane. You guys ready to go have some fun? Yeah! Let's do it!
I love it. Nisha, my name's Brent. You and I are going to be best friends today.
Yeah.
I'll take good care of you.
Yeah.
Anything you want to say to anybody?
No, I'm just excited.
All right.
Yeah.
You got a good smile already. It's about to be 10 times bigger, okay?
Okay.
Let's go have some fun, guys. Yeah.
Slipping through the days, becoming broken. Can I find myself, trust myself? I try to hold my hope when my arms open. Can I face my fears and fall through the unknown? If I search and cannot find my road to the other side, when I see no end in sight, will I lose what I left behind? My heart is no way I've known at all. My heart is no way I've known at If I search but cannot find my road to the other side.
Nisha, you just jumped out of a plane. How you feeling?
Oh my god, it's so crazy.
Look how beautiful it is.
Yeah. Happy. Oh god. Yeah. And I got
Oh, so are you. You're doing awesome.
I'm so heavyweight, but God. Yeah. I got all the fitness weight. I got this waiting there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
I'll tell you what. I got Nisha! What do you guys think? Yeah! We love it! Amazing! Who had the most fun?
I had a good one.
I said, who had the most fun?
I had most fun.
Yeah,
guys, trust me.
Varma has the biggest smile in the door.
Well, hey, thank you guys so much
Thank
for
you
coming
so
out.
much. Thank you.
Yeah, you
Woo!
Love you guys.
Thank you.
One more time. See you soon. Yeah.